Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with yet another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Nintendo account. So for this, first of all, head over to your web browser and then go to nintendo.com. When you land on a web like this, you can see that you have an option on the upper right corner that says login. Tap on it. And as soon as you tap on it, you'll be directed towards the page where you will be asked to either sign in or to create a Nintendo account. Since you're already an existing user, tap on sign in. And then now you'll be asked to enter your details. So here I'm just gonna enter my email address and then also enter my password. After doing so, tap on sign in, and here it says that I'll have to first of all verify my identity through a code that has been sent to my email address. So go to your email address and see if you have received any code from Nintendo in order to verify that it is you who is trying to sign into your account and not somebody else. So here it looks like I've received the code from Nintendo, so I'm just gonna copy the code now as it loads. So here is the verification code. I'm just gonna copy it and then go back to the browser and then simply paste the code over here and then tap on verify. Now as soon as I do this, I'll be able to log into my account. So this is basically how you can log into your account. It's a very simple process, and I hope that this video has been useful to you.